Since 1985, DriveSavers has found category-defining success, leading the data recovery industry with recommendations from every major storage device and computer manufacturer, the industry's highest recovery success rate, and certifications for secure data privacy and protection. Our team has been structured to ensure customer, partner, and reseller success, with US-based data recovery advisors available to answer your call 24/7, 365 days a year. Before you send your failed device, we'll provide you with an upfront estimate in writing that will never increase in price. Once you're ready, just package and send us your device using our free overnight shipping. You'll receive an email confirmation when it arrives. Then, our engineers will do a free device evaluation. At this point, there's no obligation to continue with us, and you can still cancel at no cost at all. Once you make the great decision to continue with DriveSavers Data Recovery, you'll receive every benefit of our award-winning service. Even a microscopic dust particle can cause damage or data loss. Through and through, we guarantee confidentiality and compliance with the highest security standards. And the results of our annual third-party security inspections are publicly available to prove it. Literally no other data recovery company meets our standard for privacy and protection. Once your recovery is complete, we'll contact you with the results. You only pay if the recovery was successful. If the data you want wasn't recovered, our services are completely free. As always, the price quoted at the beginning of the process is never exceeded. Fast, secure, reliable, and stress-free. Call DriveSavers today at 1-800-440-1904. And remember, we can save it.